Hi, thank you for tuning into my channel. I'm Lisa at Vision One Love. I'm privileged to be here with you again today. Albert Einstein, he said that you can never solve your problems from the same level of thinking as caused the problem. You have to change the frequency. You have to change your thinking. And Thomas Edison, he said, if I only have 1 hour to solve a life or death problem or situation, I would spend 55 minutes finding the right question. Then I would get the answer in only 5 minutes. So how does it work really? Everything that we experience in our lives are on different frequencies. It's like watching TV. You have all these channels available, all of them. But you might choose to be in tune with the frequency of CNN, for instance, the news. Just listening to all this negative and fearful stuff repeating. And if that's the problem for you, that you don't want to watch the news, you can never ever change the news that is broadcasted on this frequency. You yourself have to change the frequency. And available for you are a smorgasbord of all channels. What do you want to watch? Maybe you want to watch Discovery. Maybe you want to watch something with romance. Whatever it is that you want to watch, you have to change the frequency. And we talk about being grateful and changing our vibrations and all that, but everything that decides our vibration comes from the way we think about it. So if you have a problem, pick whatever problem you think that you have. And how do I know that you have a problem? It's the same for everybody. As for me, you are breathing. We all have challenges in our life. That's the life wanting more, to express itself more. We all have challenges. We will always have challenges. It's a matter of how we think about it. So if you take one problem, maybe you don't have enough time. Maybe you have issues with your relationships. Maybe you want to have more money. It doesn't matter. Pick one of your problems for this exercise and then ask yourself, sit down, take a breath, deep breath, and ask yourself how you can think differently in this situation. Because the reason we're stuck in a frequency is because we're stuck in a thought pattern. So how can I think differently? How can I approach this problem differently? And write all the answers that come on a piece of paper. We honor it by writing it down, and then things start happening on a molecular, what's it called, level as well. So we write it down, and no, we might not act on all the stuff that we write down. No, I will not take a job on Burger King 5 nights a week to get some extra money. No, but we honor the source, because when we ask different questions, we tune into the infinite intelligence. It's like the internet, but it's from source. And we allow all the ideas to come. It's like when you pump water from a water pump. In the beginning, it's the brackish water. We don't want that, but we allow it to come. And then by time when we continue to pump, the vacuum of that gives us access to the crystal clear water that we do want. So we take the time to get a breather and to ask, how can I approach this? How can I think differently around this situation, circumstance, or situation, whatever issue you have that you don't like, and allow all the ideas to come to you. Give yourself 30 minutes. Maybe during the day, if you take a walk, more ideas will come to you. You write them all down. Then you circle the ones that gives you most energy. You put them in your calendar and you actually act on them. So how can you also ask different questions? It's like if you want to go to Paris for a holiday, for instance, and you think, oh my God, how can I get my boss to give me 2 weeks off, and I'm going to lose money doing this, how am I going to do that? That's on a very low frequency. If you ask another question, how can I go to Paris and make $10,000 or euros while I'm there? That's a completely different question, asked from a completely different frequency. and the ideas that will come to you are completely different. So practice, look into your life at whatever issue you have, whatever problem you think you're facing, and ask yourself how you can think differently around it. Thank you for tuning in. If you like my videos, please share them and please subscribe so I can continue to do this for free. You can also check my webpage, visiononelove.com. Send me a mail if you want to know more. And it's your day. Make it a great one. All my love to you.